And see, Jen is so excited. Are you excited, Jen? Yes. Yes, mommy. Oh. That's my cutie, 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 cutie. Very playful. Ah, Papa, mommy. Papa, sister.
Way to my brand new home, so I can take the feeling, I can take the breeze, I can find my way to my brand.
Hi, today we're going to be doing a wash day for Jane. As you can see, she's really ready for that. Yes, Jane. Yeah, and today we'll be using a curl conditioner. It's a curl care conditioner with honey, and it's really good. Disclaimer, these products are not sponsored. They're just products that work for my daughter. I use it sometimes too. So yeah, and then you're gonna need a dandruff anti-dandruff shampoo. It's a shampoo conditioner. It's a two-in-one. I like to use this because it kind of makes it faster, because the hair kind of gets softer real quick, and you can just comb through or just finger detangle the hair, and it fights dry scalp. It's really good for healthy looking hair if you want to use that. And following that, we'll be having a natural leave-in detangler. It's really good. This works for Jay because naturally she has the kind of curly hair, and it just brings out a curl. You can use this, or you can use any other kind of leave-in detangler. You don't have to wash this off immediately after the shampoo and conditioner. Just use that. Okay, so we're going to continue with the wash. All right, so being a kid, a little girl, I like to give her some toys to just keep her occupied. She likes to play with balls. Any kind of toy will do for your child if your child is the one that likes to play while washing their hair. So, I just lift her up. I want to apply the product while she's standing because, it makes it easier. I don't have to bend too much, and then she can also feel like it's not a big deal for her. So I keep her clothes on, so for our privacy, that. So it doesn't really matter. She's used to that anyway. Sometimes I want to do a quick wash. So yeah, first I apply the anti-dandruff shampoo. You scrub it, not too hard. As you see there, it looks like it's a little foamy, but it's not too much. It washes off real quick, so don't worry about that. So try to run a quick hand through the scalp. It really helps to keep the scalp from drying out when you give it a little massage like that. So yeah, that's it. Alright, so I don't want her to feel tired standing for too long. So after the application of the product, I just go ahead, put her to a sitting position, and run water through the hair to, wash off the anti-dandruff shampoo. Alright, that's it. Just keep pouring the water, wash it off, make sure there's no shampoo left in the hair, that it's not good. You must make sure that there's no product in your baby's hair, or even if you're an adult. So yeah, Jane is really enjoying this. Hi Jane, did you get some water in your eyes? Alright, if that's part of that, if water gets into your baby's face, just wipe it off, and she's good to go. Hi Jane, are you happy? Yes. Okay, so that's it. You just try to detangle the hair with a wide tooth comb, you know, not to pull too much. Don't give it too much pull. Just be gentle, you know. My baby doesn't cry, she doesn't fuss, she's very peaceful, but at the same time, we do not want to pull too hard. So, see that beautiful hair like that? Oh, this is so good, Jane. She has a pretty good healthy hair, so I try to maintain that for her. So, yeah, wash off the conditioner one more time, real quick. Yeah, and try to, you know, squeeze out any excess hair water so that it doesn't just keep dripping all over her, or before you apply the detangler. Yes, Jane, we're almost done.
That's like, are you happy? Yes. Tell them you're happy. Tell them mommy's proud of you. Yes. All right. So before the hair kind of dries out, I'm going to be applying this living detangler. Yes. It's a living detangler. Oh. Oh. You want to put it by yourself? Oh, she's in a very good mood today, and I'm so excited. Like, we got so I need quite a lot of that. Just a little bit to kind of detangle the hair, so you don't have to like pull through too much. So you just like come through with your fingers. You actually need some kind of comb or stuff like that. Your hands, your fingers will do. Alright, so you can just like, it's not our iPad day, Jane. So you can just like bring out any kind of cell. Yeah, so that's it. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, you're so cute. Alright, see you next time. That's it for our day.
So